and welcome to Grandad's Reviews. Today I just want to have a quick look at something that could improve your audio in the videos you're making. Especially if you want something for a small studio like I've got here. I have used the Video microphone in the past, and I also got a large shotgun microphone, a T-bone, which was a bit unwieldy in this small area. So I was looking for something that would up my audio but also be easy to use in this small little studio. But I didn't want to spend a lot of money. If you look at a lot of YouTube reviews on microphones and what you should buy, we're all looking 100, 200, 300 and up pounds worth of equipment, and I didn't really want to spend that kind of money. I wanted to keep it reasonably budget. So what I found was the NEEWER pencil mics, and you get this nice little aluminium case. Inside you get a setup. Get two mics. One at the moment I'm recording on, boom, there, just out of shot. If I bring that down you can see. So that's just out of frame there. But you do get two actual microphones. So what you actually get is pencil mic, which is the NW-410. It's an XLR, and you have to have phantom power. You also get three different capsules that you can just unscrew. You get Cardioid, which is that pattern. You get a super Cardioid, and you get an Omni. So you can use it in different situations. Now I've been using the Cardioid. I've got a Cardioid on this here as it is. You get a mount, you get two mounts in fact, obviously one I'm using, and two very lively foam covers for them as well, which just slip on and just give it a little bit of, you've got plosives and S's, and just gets rid of some of that. Build quality is excellent. I don't know whether it's brass. I think it is brass if we look. Yeah, it looks like a brass actual casing. So there's no switches or anything on it. It's got some weight to it. It doesn't seem cheap and nasty. I've been using this for now a few months now, and I'm really impressed with the quality of the sound. So let's just give this one a go. Now, as I say, you need XLR. I'll put this in I can hold this a bit easier. I've got XLR here, and you can use something like this Tascam field recorder that's got XLR and supplies phantom power, and I use them quite often on this one, which is the DR60D Mark II. So you can use it on that, or an audio interface. I think Behringer and all those make quite cheap audio interfaces, and I've got it into the Moto M2, which they were doing a deal on at the time, so I thought I'd go for that. So if we stick some phantom power into this, and we'll just set the levels so it's not too much. So I've got it on there. So this is with the Cardioid pattern. So if I just talk into it on the front, so this is what it sounds like pointed straight at you. This is the side of the microphone. This is the back of the microphone. This is the side again, and we're coming round to the front and around to the side and around as we go to the side, when we will then go to the back of the microphone and then come along the side, round the side to the front. So that's how that pattern looks like on here. So let's just change that. So now we've got the super cardioid that I'm just aiming at. So this is the super cardioid. This is super cardioid from the side, and this is the super cardioid from the back of the microphone. So this is the back of the microphone, this is coming round to the side of the microphone, and as we go through to the front of the microphone. So this is the super cardioid, and this should be picking more up from the front, less from the side, and a little bit from the back compared to the cardioid. So what we will do, we'll change this one again and see what the other pattern is, the Omni. So this is the Omni pattern, and on the Omni one it should get from every direction all around. So we'll move around to the side of the microphone, and we'll come round to the back of the microphone, and we'll come round to the side again, going around the side, and that's straight at it. So if I point it straight up and we go round, it should get the same pattern all the way around, because I say this is an Omni one, and we're pointing straight forward again. Now when you see most of the YouTube tests on microphones are testing in quite a well soundproofed studio, I've not got any soundproofing in here. It actually is quite a noisy environment, and this is probably what you'll probably be in if you're doing your YouTube and you're not spending lots of money on an actual studio space. You're just using a spare room or something like that. So in here it's quite noisy. All the audio from this microphone I'll leave as is, won't do any processing on at all. I'll point this towards the most noisy section of my room, and you can probably hear the computer humming away. So this is my look at the NEEWER NW-410 pencil microphones, a kit of 2, I say, with all the different pickup patterns you can have. I think it's excellent value. At the moment I've just gone on the website from Amazon. Let's just have a look. It is now $69.99. I say the prices change all the time. You can get it cheaper sometimes, and that's with free delivery. So I think for that kind of price, for a pair of microphones, it's excellent. They've got a frequency response of 30 Hz to 18 kHz. They say they've got a sensitivity of 38 plus or minus 3 decibels. Impedance is 100 ohms plus 30% at 1 kHz. Self noise 24 decibels, and a maximum input of 135. Let's say in the package you get 2 microphones. You get the 2 Omni, 2 Cardioid, 2 super Cardioids in there, 2 clips, and 2 of the foam windscreens, and all in this aluminium case. The only thing I can criticise on the aluminium case is that this bit here doesn't actually sit onto the microphone, so if it does get knocked around, they do fall out. But no, I think they're excellent value and really do up the audio in your videos. So that's my look at the NEEWER 410 microphones. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, give it a thumbs down. If you want to see more videos like this, hit the subscribe button. If you want to be notified, hit that bell button. Until next time, see you later.